Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. My name is Olorun. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play ordinary game and make money. Make cool money. You can make a lot of money here. So this is waje game. This app you can download it from your Google Play Store or from your App Store. Okay guys. So when you download it, just verify it with your phone number. Okay, and after that you can start playing the game. Okay, you can withdraw this game. You can withdraw your money when you want. You can withdraw. Minimum withdrawal from this app is 1000 naira, and then if you want to withdraw 1000 naira, it attracts 10 naira. So all money that you want to withdraw attracts some little money. Let's assume that you want to withdraw 5000 naira. Now 5000 naira attract 30 naira. Okay, 30 naira. So that is the withdrawal fees. So this game is legit and the app is legit. There's no, when you, if you know how to play this game very well, forget, you are good to go. You know how to play what, you know how to play crazy what, baka what, dice, rodder green, baccarat, fish, and all lucky soccer. Okay, so all this game is very legit, and you can make a lot of money with it if you are familiar with it. Okay guys, so you can withdraw your money directly. So everything is very easy up here. There is no scammer. So Nigeria, this is a Nigerian game, so everybody have won, many people. So I was just, I was sitting in my sitting room when a friend of mine was just playing and withdraw. I just say, let me see this. So people are now winning game in Nigeria, playing game in Nigeria like this. So that's why I said, okay, let me just bring it to my community so that you guys can play it and make a lot of money with it. Okay guys, so let me just play one of it. Actually, I'm not familiar with all these games. I don't play game like this. Okay, so let me just play one. Let me try to play. Which one did I? Okay, let me play. Let me see baccarat. Okay, let me see baccarat. Okay, I've clicked on it now. So this is baccarat. Okay, only available for the top up user with the asset lower than 50 naira. Okay, so this baccarat is if you have money like 50 naira, so you can play this one. Okay guys, so let me play dice. Okay, this also on this 100 naira. Okay, let me play dice. Play now. Okay, all right, let me roll it. I want to roll. So that is 8-7. I won that one. Die. Okay, let me play again. Matching. Okay, so which one can I, let me roll again. Oh yeah, bring it now. Let me roll it. 7. Did I won? 10. Oh, better luck. Okay guys, so that is how to play this game. It's very interesting, and then you can move to the withdrawal to withdraw your money. If you have won, if you know how to play all this game, you have good luck for this app. You know how to play all this game, good luck. You make a lot of money. Just sit down and be playing game. People will just be looking like, this one is just playing ordinary game. They don't know that you are making money. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Just stay cool. Peace.